Hello YouTube, Trainboy90 Productions here, and today we'll be doing an unboxing video of Henry the Green Engine. Wooden Railway 2022 Henry the Green Engine. Of course, I got him alongside Edward from Barnes & Noble. We're going to take a look at his box before we unbox Henry. So, Henry is a really nice box. Shows the model, like with Edward. Tracks sold separately. Henry's name right on the box. Here's the top of the box. Just like with Edward. It says all the trademarks. So all the information right over here. Of course, the serial number. Right on the right hand side here. I really like these new wooden railway engines. Here's the underside of the box. Right over here. And what's really cool with these boxes, you can slide it open and take a look at the engine even without opening the box. So you have a nice look at the Henry model. Henry, of course, here's his face. We're going to get into more detail with Henry as soon as we start unboxing him. So, we're going to get Henry directly out of his package. And we're going to get to this unboxing right now. Like with every unboxing video that I make, I use my handy dandy hobby knife. So, further ado, we're going to open up this box right here. And this video, like with all of my other videos, are made for general audiences. So further ado, we're going to open up this box and take a look inside. Here's that number over here. I'm going to push Henry right out of his package, out of his box here. Here's a nice look at Henry. See the tender. He has a very long tender, pretty much, to be more accurate to his looks in the television series. He has quite a big tender, like with Gordon. Of course, Henry is a big engine. Makes sense. Henry, of course, has the same pamphlet as Edward. We're going to take Henry directly out of its package. Alright, so we're going to use our scissors to cut whatever holds Henry in his package, in his box, pretty much. Henry is relatively a very large model, so he's a big guy. He's a big engine. Of course, he is meant to be a big engine. Of course, the tender is finally out, but I get the rest of the engine out of here, pretty much. Remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more content from Trainboy90 Productions. Henry is finally out of the box, and we're going to take a look at Henry as soon as we clear all this out. So, as soon as we start clearing out the box, we're going to take a look at Henry the Green Engine. So we're going to do a little review on Henry the Green Engine, take a look at his model, and see what he's about. With all the unboxing material out of the way, we're going to take a look at Henry the Green Engine. So, further ado, we're going to take a look at his model. He's a big one. We're going to take a look at the locomotive first. So, here's a look at Henry's face. You can see. I like that expression that he has here. He has a very good expression. Here's his details. Unlike the previous Henry models, obviously, his splashers are actually separate from the boiler, which is really cool. His dome and safety valve are actually made out of plastic. Same with his funnel. And his entire chassis here. You can see he has a lot of plastic with this one right here. Here's a look inside of his cab. You can see it's supposed to be like a fire or something like that. Fire in the firebox. He has a lot of this really nice riveting details, which is what I really like about him. Of course, here's the underside of Henry. If you're all curious, here's his name. his own number and serial number. It's different, varying which Henry you got, obviously. He's a big one. As you can see here, we have his tender as well. The coal is made out of plastic, just like with Edward. He has 6 wheels on his tender, pretty accurate, along with 3 axles. Here's the underside of his tender. Henry, in my opinion, is a very good model, very nice model. He's nice and long, just like he should, just like in the Thomas and Friends television series. Unlike in Thomas Wood, I think this is probably my favorite wooden railway Henry model so far, out of the whole bunch. Here's a front of the model. Here's the side, as you can see. And there's the back to the side. And of course, the front again. One thing I do really like is all the detailing that he actually has, in which he does. And we're going to end the video right over here. And we're going to end the video. So, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe. And I really hope you enjoy. Remember to do these 3 things. Alright, everybody? And I hope you all enjoy this unboxing video I have of Henry the Green Engine. And we'll end the video. And of course, goodbye!